Hello friends, I am Siam Aset and you are watching my channel. So let's subscribe my channel and press this bell icon to watch latest updated video firstly. Welcome friends. In this video, we are going to solve second method by using Classwiz calculator. Classwiz calculator represent this type of calculator. Then after loading this tutorial, we can solve second method in a minute by using a single expression uh, with this calculator. So let's start. At first, the question we are going to take in this tutorial will be like this. Find the root of e cos x minus sin x is equal to 0 up to 4 decimal places. Then at first, we have to identify the form of this equation, and you can see the form of this equation is in the form of trigonometric function. So at first, we have to change the mode of calculator to the radian mode. So at first, to change the mode of calculator, follow this step. Then press shift button, then mode, then select 2, then again select 2 to the radian mode. In this way, we can change the mode of calculator to the radian mode. Then after this, we start our solution. Then at first, we have to consider this equation to the function of fx like this. Then after this, then we have to guess the initial guess for this equation, so that the multiplication of this value when you put in this equation, then will be less than -1. Then in this way, by putting the value of 1 in this equation, we get the value 0.8750 greater than 0, and by putting 2, we get this value, negative value, less than 0. So positive and negative means the negative value, which means the less than 0. And the value of this initial guess we can also find from this calculator by following this step. At first, we have to click on this menu setup. Then after this 9, then we have to write this equation. Then after writing this equation, just press is equal to button, then write here 1. Then after here, we can change the starting value of x and ending value of x. Then after specifying the value of x, simply press the is equal to button. Then after this, we can see the value of ranging from the 1 to 5 of x, and we can identify the two value of x from this table. So from this table, we can simply see the value of x and 2, and the function of that corresponding value of x will be 0.875 and minus 0.249. And from this table, we can simply calculate the initial guess value. So after this our root lies between 2 and 1. Then let's consider x1, that is lower limit value, negative value. Negative value means this value is equal to 2, is equal to a. The variable a denotes in the calculator. The variable a will simply help us to make our calculation easily in this calculator. Then after this, x2 is equal to upper limit value, that is the positive value. Positive value means this positive value, and the positive value of us due to the value of this x, that is 1. Then 1, then is equal to b, is equal to b variable. Then after this, we have the formula from the second method. This formula Then for solving this equation by a single expression in this calculator, we have to type in this form in the calculator. In this form. Then we have to draw this type of table in the column, in the copy. X1 denotes the variable. X1 will be denoted by the variable a in the calculator. X2 by b, function of fx1, that is lower limit value, will be denoted by the this variable f, and similarly this m and x, and we can write in this form in the calculator. At first, this value, f variable means this function value. Simply write this. Then we have to simply write the variable x1, and x1 is represented by the a. That is, in this way we can write the variable a in the first equation. Then after that, in the second function, that is m function, we use the value of x2. x2 means b. Then simply write the b in place of x. Then after this, you have to write the second formula. Second formula means this formula. x1 mean a, function of fx2 mean this m. Then simply write a m minus b of. b of means x2 mean b, function of fx in f, x1 mean f, and this m minus f. Then we have to substitute the value of a is equal to b. We have to change the value of a so that the b value will be stored in a and the x value will be stored in b. Then after writing this, we can solve by a single step. So let's see. Then now write this formula in the calculator. Then for writing, simply follow my step. Then alpha, then f alpha is equal to shift e cos alpha a bracket close minus alpha sin alpha sin alpha, then this colon sign to separate the equation, then alpha, then m, then is equal to then b, then this button, then minus sin b, then again alpha, then this colon to separate the equation, then x is equal to this fraction symbol, then alpha a alpha m minus b alpha f, then again in the denominator m minus alpha f. What is the f? Then after this, then again this colon symbol, then alpha a alpha is equal to alpha b, then this colon symbol, then again alpha b is equal to x. Then after writing this expression in the calculator, simply you have to press this button, solve button, in this way. Then after this, we have to write the initial value. That is, initial value means 1 and 2. And at first, it is asking the value of variable a. Variable a means x1, and the x1 value will be lower limit value. That is a negative value. It means 2 value. 2 will be the value of 1. Then simply press 2. Then is equal to button. Then put the value of b. That is this value 1 value. Then equal to. Then it will show the value of this column, that is this function of fx1. Then you can write from this calculator in this column in your copy by drawing this table. Then again press equal to button. Then it will show the value of this function of fx2. Then simply copy from here and write in your copy in this table. Then again press the equal to button. Then you get the value of this xn. Then again simply press the x button and it will interchange the value of a and b in this way. Then after this, the value of a will be 1. Then we get the value of this 0.8750 of this column and the m in this way. In this way we get the value of this. Then after this, simply interchange the value of a, that is the b will be in this, and in the b column the value will be this value. Then simply press the equal to button. Then b will be this. Then in this way you can solve the equation to the iteration up to the 4 decimal places in this way. Then after solving, only pressing by this button, equal to button, we will get all the value of this table in this way. Then at last, since the value of xn in the 5th and the 6th iteration, that is in this row, iteration is same up to 4 decimal place. So the approximate root of the given function, that is e cos x minus sin s is equal to 0 is 1.5708. We can see in this iteration after decimal the 4 decimal places is same. So at this condition we have to stop our iteration and we get the value of root in this way, 1.5708. At last, in this way you can solve easily by using a single expression and by using a single button in this calculator. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.